Hey there everyone, it's Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine, and today we're going to be looking at a video called 7 Online Jobs That Pay $20 an Hour or More for Teenagers 2022. Now this says that it's for teenagers, but I mean, if teenagers can do it, then why can't anyone else can do it as well? And they pay $20 an hour and they're online. So we're going to see if we like this or not. Make sure that you comment below and let us know what you think about this as we go through, and that you also like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Okay, let's jump into this. Let's just hit that like button and jump in.
Hey guys, it's Jats. We all want to become a millionaire overnight, but that's impossible unless you invested some money in crypto and it suddenly blew up. The point I'm making is that to become a millionaire, we all need to start somewhere. Take the world.
Got a lot of edits in this video. I gotta say, it's got good production value so far.
Second richest man, for example. Jeff started his journey by flipping burgers. Yeah, imagine this guy actually flipping burgers. The key point is that we all start somewhere, whether that's flipping burgers or a decent job. So,
you know, I actually started out as a caretaker in a graveyard. That's right. That was my first job after graduating from high school. I was mowing the lawn in a graveyard, and on my first day, as I was pushing the lawnmower, a gravestone actually fell down on top of me. I was almost finished right there.
So that we could build a bit of capital before starting a side hustle or a business. Your teen years are the best years to start, as you can afford to fail as many times as you want to and still end up being successful by getting a job if nothing works out. In today's video, I'll be sharing 7 jobs that pay you over $15 per hour.
Wait a minute. It says $15 per hour, but it says $20 an hour in the title here. What's going on here? On a side note, another job that I had when I was a teen, I don't even know if I was a teenager. I think I was like younger than that. It was Halloween. I think it was after Halloween, and my dad had me drive around in a little lawnmower tractor with a trailer on the back of it, selling pumpkins door to door. I think it was after Halloween.
How you can get started, how hard the jobs are, and how much effort you have to put in for each of them. Here's a quick job that will help you make millions. It's by simply smashing that like button so I can continue making quality content for you. And also big
hit my like button too.
Big thank you to Payson for sponsoring this video, but more on that later.
Ooh, he's got a sponsor for this video as well. Nice.
Job number 1, transcriber. Becoming a transcriber can get you at least $15 to $25 per hour depending on what you do. A transcriber is simply someone who turns audio into text. It's as simple as that. Even my granny can apply for this job.
Do people still make money doing that? I feel like the technology online is so good now at transcribing, like it's automatically done, but I guess people are getting paid for it.
There are 2 ways to make money as a transcriber. The easiest way is by simply going to rev.com and apply.
Rev.com. Do we know this one? Rev.com. Convert audio and video to text, humans working by side with, okay, so it looks like it's kind of a hybrid here. Captions, $1.50 a minute is what people spend, so I wonder how much you'd make over there.
Apply to be a transcriber. There are other platforms where I found that Rev pays the best in terms of dollar per minute transcribed. When you apply, you'll be given a test audio to transcribe. Once you're done with that, they will start offering you multiple jobs to choose from, depending on if you want to do it or not. Some jobs pay more per minute transcribed, but there is an...
I feel like I talk to so many people that try to make money online and they can't, but there really are a lot of opportunities to make money if you just can do a little bit of work. Like the whole passive thing, sure, that's a little bit harder, but there are so many ways that if you can just provide like a service like this, you can make money.
Average of 40 cents to $1 per audio minute transcribed. It is available in multiple countries and multiple languages, so anyone can make money. This platform is mainly used by YouTubers like me who want to add captions to their YouTube videos, so there will always be jobs available on Rev. Second way is to make subtitles for movies. There's an estimate of 35% online content viewers who uses subtitles when watching online content. Now 35% may seem small, but if you compare it to the amount of people watching content online, that's a lot. There clearly is a demand for this job, as movies will forever keep releasing. You may think companies use automation to convert text to speech. Yes, some companies do, but they still have someone who goes over the subtitles to make sure it's correct. Job number 2, data entry. As we're transitioning into the metaverse,
data entry, yeah, that could be something I could do.
Everything has started to move online. This requires a lot of existing data needing to be transferred onto programs online, and this is where you can secure the bag.
I feel like for data entry, a lot of people outsource to like the Philippines or India and pay like $3-4 an hour.
There are many companies that are paying over $15 per hour to just fill in data.
I'm surprised that it's that high, that people are paying that much.
The best thing about data entry jobs is that it does not require you to have a college degree, or if you're from the UK, a university degree. You can simply get into the jobs if you have skills on Excel or other platforms the business uses. For those that don't know how to use Excel, it's not that hard. All you need to do is simply watch some YouTube videos, and I know you will excel within an hour.
You can really learn anything on YouTube. If you want to learn something, you can just search on YouTube and find really good training on it.
See what I done there?
You're hard.
There are two major factors you need if you really want to be successful in this job. One is attention to detail. Companies hire people that have a good eye when it comes to details, as if you mess up just one entry, then the whole data gets messed up and no one wants that. So just make sure you pay attention. The second biggest factor is your typing speed. As you'll be filling in data online, some companies require you to type at a certain speed. This is where you can use websites like this to practice on in order to reach the speed you need.
Those are fun to do, those little tests to try your typing skills. I used to think I was fast, but there's some guys that are really, really fast. And if you can type fast, you can make money online.
Need to get this job. While you're at it, let's see how fast I can type.
I'm pretty fast.
Yeah, I smashed it. Now after the video, I want you to go try it and comment down below if you beat me. But on a serious note, you can apply for data entry jobs on pages like Indeed, or you can go to Upwork and find jobs that people have put up.
Upwork is a great place to find jobs. Like really, there's tons of people hiring, and if you can, like of course in the beginning it's gonna be harder to get a job, but if you can set up a profile there and do good work for people, you can get tons of work.
Now a message from our sponsor.
Bro, this trip to the US is gonna be fun. I can't wait to go LA and pop money.
Now back to the video.
We're gonna skip that sponsor.
Job number 3, teaching a language. There are 6,500 spoken languages around the world, yet the average human speaks only 2 across their lifetime. The most common spoken language
I speak 3. Can you believe it?
in the world is English, as it's commonly used around the world through social media and schools.
Okay, I don't really speak 3. I speak like 2.5. I used to speak Spanish. I speak English and Turkish because my wife is Turkish, but I used to speak Spanish. I have a degree in Spanish literature and language, but it's been so long. I'm old. I don't remember it anymore.
English has become so popular that you are more likely to get a job if you know the language, as it becomes easier for employers to work with you. This is why it's becoming hard for foreigners to get jobs. So what they do is simply start taking tuitions, and this is where you can make some serious money on the side.
Securing the bag.
Most people that want to take English seriously take online tuitions on places like Upwork or Fiverr. They simply pay you to teach English. The pay depends on how much the person is willing to pay per hour, but in most cases it is $15 or more depending on your experience. It is honestly one of the easiest jobs if you're good at teaching. But if you're shy, another way you can make money using this method is by simply creating a course on how to learn English. Then you simply have to upload it to places like Udemy or Skillshare where people can watch it. It's as simple as that. Once you start getting good reviews on your course, you will have more traffic coming in, leading to more money.
I guess that could be something that you do. Like teaching English is a great way of making money online. I have friends that do Skype lessons, and they're able to charge anywhere from, I would say, around $10, $15 an hour for it. So it's decent money.
Job idea number 4, freelance writing. Yes, this job role pays a fortune. People are always looking for good writers. Look at me. I've been looking for a scripter for so long, yet I have been getting no responses. I guess I will have to continue scripting myself. But if you want to join this amazing team as a content writer, drop a DM or email us with a video script. Freelancing as a writer, you can make more than $20 per hour depending on how good you are at writing. There are 2 key types of writers you could become. One being a content writer, another is a copywriter. Content writers usually are the ones writing blogs or scripts for content creators. They're the creative heads behind the amazing videos you see, like the one I have behind the camera right now.
And if you can write, I'm telling you, it's a way, especially if you can write like sales copy for people. That's something that people pay thousands of dollars for. I personally paid thousands for sales copy.
Oh, Sumit, you're right. Yeah, he's not going to say anything. Let's continue. The most important skill content creators need is to write in as many different styles. If you're able to master this, you will easily get jobs as you can adapt to the creator's tone. Now, copywriting is where you make landing pages or even newsletter feeds for a business. Your whole aim is to persuade customers into buying products or services. Ever heard an ad so good and wondered who wrote it? It was perfectly written by a fellow copywriter whose objective was to persuade you to buy something. Companies hire copywriters as they can be persuasive and creative, helping the companies achieve their sales goal. This is why they get paid more than $20 an hour.
They get, if you're a really, really good copywriter, you get even paid more than that.
You can easily find jobs on this field. I searched up content writer jobs and I got a ton of searches popping up. So if you want to join this field, I look forward to reading your work. Job number 5, a web designer. Like I mentioned in this video, businesses during the pandemic lost a lot of money due to them not transitioning online quickly. This is why there's an increase in the need of good website creators.
You can get paid for it, but you got to be good at it, and you got to have the right tools. I mean, you can potentially create websites with done softwares and stuff, but it's going to be hard to compete with the people that
easily
can actually like do the design.
Make your $20 per hour depending on your skill. You can set up your shop on Fiverr. Take this seller for example.
Fiverr's a great place though if you want to set up a job. I've made upwards. I think I was doing like $500 a month doing writing stuff on Fiverr. Like there's a lot of money to be made there.
Example. He charges £1,235 per website that he makes. That's a lot of money. The thing with website creation is that once you master the skill, it becomes so easy to make websites. You can easily make over 3 websites in a week. So that's around $3,000 a week. Not too bad, eh? There are other places you can sell on. If you do not want to be a seller on Fiverr, you can simply apply for jobs like shown here. Or you can actually go to a local business who needs a website and set up a deal. The choice is yours. Just make sure you market yourself well and you will be making money.
You still have to market yourself well. And the nice thing is they do give you free traffic, but you still need to market yourself.
No time. Job idea 6, social media manager. When we think of social media manager, we always think of individual influencers that we need to manage. But this is not the case. There are many local businesses or shops that have just started around the corner. All you need to do is contact them and set up a deal where you simply start managing their social media accounts. For example, you could set up dates of upload times or reply to customer queries and simply boost the business reputation up.
I've heard of people saying that you can do this, but I haven't met anyone that really does it. If you guys have done this before, you know someone that does, like firsthand, let me know in the comments.
Marketing is a very valuable skill to have as every company is willing to pay good amount for that type of service. Knowing how to send email campaigns and running ads is a huge deal when it comes to social media marketing. Companies are constantly looking out for people like you as you hold much value. The reason being is that you can bring so much loyal customers who would constantly buy their products for life. The most common way to get businesses to pay you is to learn Facebook ads. If you can master how to run ads for business through Facebook, then there is a lot of money to be made.
If you can do Facebook ads for people, there's a lot of money to be made there. I mean, a lot of people have no idea how to do it. If you can figure out something that someone else doesn't want to do and you can get them results for, and they'll pay you.
And if you want to learn how to email market, then you should try using MailChimp. It's free and is used by most local businesses as it's very easy to use. But like always, there are always creative ways to market. And if you could master that, you will definitely make more than you bargained for. Here's a quick example. You may have seen a sudden rise in chiropractors cracking bones and stuff online. Well, it's because of smart social media marketers who thought they would post satisfying videos online so that they could 1. Make some money online and 2. Bring in more customers for the particular clinic they're posting it for. It really changed the game for some clinics as now everyone wants their back cracked, even me. It was some seriously good marketing and it shows by the amount of customers chiropractors get now. Job number 7, online surveys.
Okay, now this one, I don't know about this. Online surveys. Do people really get paid for surveys?
Yes.
Tell me below if you got paid for doing surveys.
This is essentially a job that businesses are paying for. Surveys don't always mean doing surveys on Swagbucks or other platforms to make quick money. Yes, you can make quick money through apps like these, but it does take a lot of time. When I'm in surveys, I'm in company surveys. Company surveys are when big global companies pay you money to test/review their products and ask for your feedback. The information they gain from you is vital for them as you are representing their potential customer base. Think about it. They aren't going to start making thousands of products of a particular perfume if the perfume isn't even good enough. Companies are willing to pay $20 per hour, and the more work you do, the more you get paid.
Let me know below if you've made money doing surveys. I really want to know.
You can be a product tester, or you could be an advisor for landing pages or websites. You simply give your feedback on what you like about the business page and make some money. It's as simple as that. But just make sure you keep all the information confidential and actually give good feedback and not just one word like I did back in the days. The more good feedback you give, the more opportunities will be given to you. So those were the 7 online jobs you could apply for, but make sure you choose one and focus on it in order to get some experience and money from that field. Here are top 7.
So, okay, that's the thing also as well. You need to focus on just one of these things. If you try, that's why a lot of people fail when making money online. They try to do like so many things all at once, and then they fail at all of them. So thank you guys so much for watching this video here today. I hope you liked it. If there are any of these methods that you've tried before, please let us know in the comments below if any of them worked for you. And also make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.